All right, so this is my first time actually using this Nano banana thing everybody's been talking about. Now, pretty much I made this here. Let me see if I could go back a little bit. All right, so here's the raw. Here's the actual raw of this photo. Okay, I took this photo. Actually, I took a video and just screenshotted a photo from it. And pretty much what you see is this image right here. Now, Nano banana actually allowed me to not only create this, obviously I have this, that's just a vector from Photoshop, but it allowed me to put this, as you can see, you see this right here? Now I know this kind of shifts the color a little bit, but you see this? I simply just told it to make this text right here. I took the object, highlighted it, and I said, make it yellow. Change the color to yellow, and it did it. Now, I like how I did put this border around here. It's kind of white, and then the color over here is different, just because it makes it stand out a little bit more. But y'all see what I'm talking about. Like, that's a simple thing. Now, let's see if I can get it to make these glasses yellow. So that's what I'm going to try to do right now. See if we can make the glasses yellow. Okay, we highlighted the glasses. This is perfect. Now, let's go back into generative fill. Okay, we're going to use Nano Banana, as you can see right here. And then we're going to say, make the glasses yellow. And now, let me say, make this the color yellow. Let's see if it fixes it. Now, I don't want to make this yellow, so I'm probably just going to try to, let's see if we can do a little custom here. Now, we don't want to make this yellow because we want this to stand out. So what we're going to do is, let's take this, let's take that out. Boom, just like that. We're going to do the same thing with this. We're going to take that out as well. We're not going to make this yellow. Let's see if it works. Let's see what it could do right now. Right now, this is looking pretty good. Let's generate. Let's see what it got. Now, I probably should have fixed these dots over here, but fuck it. We just going to go raw. Right? Let's go raw. Let's see what we got. See what we got, Nano Banana. Let's see how good you is. Wow. Unbelievable. Y'all see, I ain't even had to do too much editing. Yo, what the now, I could literally just do this in Photoshop, like myself, but to see this actually work just off of prompts is actually insane. Now, I know I'm late to the whole Nano Banana thing and AI and all that stuff, but bro, to actually see this and do it yourself feels so satisfying. Okay, now I just made a thumbnail. This is my thumbnail for my video. The title of this video is, what is the title of this video actually? The title of this video is hiding the LED light on my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Boom, just like that. And I literally took this photo right here. I literally took this regular photo, nothing on it. I literally took this photo and made it into this. Kind of crazy. Now I want to see if I can actually make it up it a little bit more too. I'm going to try to make this red to make it stand out. What y'all think? Let's see if we can make this logo right here red, and we're going to make this red. All right. So here we go. Let's see what Nano Banana got. Okay, we took that. That's perfect. See if we can highlight again. Okay, we can highlight both. Can we do a multi-highlight somehow? Alt. Might have to do. Can you? Oh, is there any? I guess you can't do it. I guess you can't select multiple. Oh well. All right, let's just try it. Let's try it here. Make the text color red. Boom. Let's go. You gotta love Gemini. I don't even need ChatGPT anymore. I like ChatGPT, but oh my God, y'all see what it just did? It made it red. Now this thumbnail is starting to stand out even more. You see that? Perfect. Let's do this. Let's do it one more time with the smart glasses. We might change this color. We might have to change the smart glasses to like blue or something, just to keep it color coded. Make the text color blue. And y'all see, I'm not even doing any like complicated prompts or anything like that. I'm literally just saying, make this blue, make this red, make this yellow, blah, blah, blah. And it's making it exactly how I want it to do. The crop out looks crazy. Everything looks good, bro. Look at this. This looks perfect. Now I could correct this one and make it look good, but it's all right. I'm fine with that. Nothing's really blocked out here. This looks perfect. This looks absolutely beautiful. Let's get right into it. That's pretty much it. I could change these colors. I could make these colors. Like I could go like this too. I could go like this. I could make this color blue, right? I could be like, make this blue. I could do the next one. I could say, make it green, make it red, make it yellow, to make it stand out. And to really have people click on this video in general, just based off of this. Look at that. Look, it just made it blue. Let's make this one red. See if we can make this one red real quick. The color red. Boom. And it's simple prompting. This is kind of what I like about this whole Nano Banana thing. I call it Banano. Nano Banana thing. Look, it just made it red. Bro, look at this. Look, now I'm really going to have people really click on this video. Because they're going to be like, oh my God, what is this? I got to get this. I got to click on this video. All right, we're going to go down here. We're going to change this to green. We're going to get real creative. And it's not like I got to have all these special tools to really do much. Make this the color green. Simple as that. Photoshop is the best thing. Now, I wish Premiere Pro had something like this, but it doesn't. This is just frankly just Photoshop. Photoshop is killing it. Now I wish I could make, all right, we're gonna change this. We're gonna say bright green. We gotta make it a little brighter. It ain't really standing out how I want it to. It look good, but it's not really standing out how I want it to. So let's see what we can do here. Boom, perfect. We just killed it. That is outstanding. This is gonna make people click on this. We just did simple as that. I could do orange. Let me do this one for orange. Let me do orange. Now, I'm probably overdoing it a little bit, but hey, fuck it. You know, this is why we make content. Bright orange. Bro, and it's simple prompts. Like, I just made green, a regular green color that they gave me. I just made it bright green, bright orange, bright red, bright blue. You know what I mean? Oh, my God. Now, this one is kind of bad, low-key. You can tell they kind of lacked on this one. So I'm going to redo this one. We're going to try to draw it again. And we're going to say, make this orange. Make this the color bright orange. I think I might have prompted wrong. Let's see what it gives us. I think I did it again. I might, oh, no. Let's see. It's not bad. That's not bad. It's going to make people click on it for sure. Oh, that's dope. All right. I like this. So here's my thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and go export it and upload it to YouTube and then drop this video. Simple as that. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I think this was a good thing to kind of like experiment on. That was my first time using Nano Banana. And yeah, please let me know what y'all think. I like the thumbnail as a whole. I think it's going to make people really want to click on it because they're going to see these texts right here. They're going to see the glasses. They're going to see the LED little scripts stickers that they give you. They're going to see the red, the blue, the orange, and the green. They're like, oh my God, what is this? I'm clicking on it. And they're going to click on it. And it's going to be pure content. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.